Hey darlings, hi, how are you all doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time on my channel, you're definitely welcome. Do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys already know you're the realest MVP. Thank you so much. My heart is always so happy. I'm always so happy whenever I see somebody who has been with me from day one commenting on my videos. I feel butterflies in my tummy. But yeah, so basically thank you so much. I'm just basically saying that I appreciate everybody that has been engaging with my videos, leaving a comment, 1 or 2 comments here and there. I really appreciate it. And if you're not leaving any comments, please do. It helps the YouTube algorithm as well. So yes, with that said, let's go straight into today's video. So today I won't be reviewing anything. I won't be talking about any products or anything like that. What I'll basically be doing is giving you guys an official announcement. I'm so excited about this because it has been in the work for a couple of weeks, a month, and it definitely took a lot of planning. So I am so happy to announce to you guys MVP buses. Yay! That's one of the businesses that we're starting off with. And MVP buses is a Lagos, Nigeria based wholesale store, online store that sells correct Versagel for your lip glosses and lip gloss supplies. When I say lip gloss supplies, I'm referring to wand tubes, squeeze tubes, all kinds of tubes, your mica pigment, your liquid pigment, your glitters, everything that you need to make a lip gloss or start a lip gloss business with, everything, even more. We're also going to be offering shrink bands. Shrink bands are those protection seal that people always, like official brands, always put around their brand just to protect it from all these people. Let me test it. I want to see how it's going to look on my lips. When they put it on their lips, they are not going to buy it, and you can't sell that to somebody else, especially in this period of in this pandemic period. So it's also not very healthy for you to do that. So protection seals are very, very important. We're going to be offering that once we launch. We're also going to be offering bubble mailers. We're going to be offering organza bars. We're going to be everything, packaging or shipping or everything. We got you. So we're going to be your one-stop shop for lip gloss business supplies. So that's basically our vision. Currently most of our items are already in transit to Lagos, Nigeria. However, there's a couple of items that we do need to test and make sure that we're selling the right type and the right thing. So we've ordered samples of Versagel. So if you guys don't know, some people, they sell different types of Versagel. So the vendor that I'm working with has different types. So I ordered all the types they have so that I can test it and see and make sure that I'm selling quality Versagel to you guys that has non-sticky formula, and it's healthy, it's not healthy, moisturizing, and also free of all this toxic paraben and whatnot. We're also going to be sampling, what else are we sampling? Yeah, our lashes and a new product that we're going to be adding to maybeautypro.shop. I'm not going to be announcing that yet until we launch, but let me do that here because I also did it on my Instagram page. If you can guess correctly what we are launching in addition to our lashes, let me know. Comment below and you'll get that free for your next purchase with us. And another exciting announcement that I have for you guys is that MVP is officially going to be in Lagos. Yay! Which means that you can freely order your items from us and we'll ship from Lagos to any location you are. You know that shipping fee from US to Lagos, it's actually high, and I totally understand where you're coming from. So those our products are going to be available in Lagos. Our lashes, the new products that we're adding, our wholesale program, everything is going to be in Lagos, so you can order freely and not be scared that shipping cost is going to cut your neck. I'm super excited about that. I've packaged most of the items that will be shipping to Lagos. So yeah, I'm just so excited. And once they get to Lagos, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So a giveaway for MVP, and I don't know if I should tell you guys, but we're going to be giving away a 5-ounce Versagel. So if you're a business babe and you're looking to start a lip gloss business in the next couple of months, then make sure you're following MVP Buses on Instagram. Tag your friends. Make sure you're very active on the page because we'll only be rewarding those that are active on our page and not people that just come in and and think that they are active just to win the item and then they vanish again. So make sure you're active on the page and make sure you join our pre-order list. I'm going to leave the link down below, so if you're interested you can join the pre-order list. So when we launch or before we launch, we'll share the launch dates with you, give you guys some discounts so you can save some coins when you're purchasing your wholesale items from us to start your lip gloss business. And of course, on a weekly or monthly basis, we're going to be sharing an email or newsletter that will be giving you guys tips and tricks on how to start, maintain, and ensure that your lip gloss business is the successful one. We're also going to be teaching you guys how to make lip glosses in the newsletters that we're going to be sharing with you guys in that based on the email addresses that you all would provide. So make sure to join the pre-order list if you're interested, and you're officially there. So it's going to ask you for your email, your phone number, your name, and your location. All that are very necessary, so make sure you answer them. And guess what, when we're in Lagos, we're still going to be able to ship nationwide and worldwide. So if you're in Botswana or you're in Ghana or you're in Zimbabwe, all of them would be able to ship to you. I'm so excited about this, and I hope you guys are as well, because I noticed that there are not a lot of people, and even those that are doing it, they don't like sharing information. So don't worry, I will be doing better than that. It's not to share information, I'll be sharing the product. Do you understand? So I look forward to you guys joining the pre-order list, and I look forward to you guys shopping with us. With that said, yeah, make sure you're following us at maybeautypro.shop, MBP Bosses, and of course May Beauty Pro. One other thing I want to also remind you guys, comment down below the additional products that we're going to be adding to maybeautypro.shop, and you get that product for free. Make sure you're active on MBP Bosses, because you just might win yourself a 5-ounce Versa gel for your lip gloss business. And yeah, that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.